Hello students, welcome to Eclairway online classes. Today we start our third chapter, that is adjective. Adjective, yes, adjective in Hindi we say na विशेषण, that is adjective. Adjective are the words that show us the description of noun and pronoun. In the other word we can say describing words, okay, describing words. So an adjective is a word used to describe a noun or pronoun. Or used to add something, to the meaning of a noun or a pronoun. Okay, an adjective is a word used to describe a noun or pronoun or used to add something to the meaning of noun or pronoun. Means जो describe करते हैं noun और pronoun को, उनके बारे में बताते हैं कि noun और pronoun जो है वो कैसा है, किस टाइप का है, क्या कलर है, क्या साइज है. ओके, तो ये डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड्स इन शॉर्ट वे वी कैन से डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड्स आर नोन एज एडजेक्टिव. Example, he is an intelligent girl. Okay, so here intelligent is a word which describes the girl. The what type of the girl is? The girl is intelligent, so it is adjective. Okay, and this is noun. So this word is describing the girl, so this word is known as adjective. Second, Ram is an honest boy. Okay, तो boy, here boy को describe कर रहा है, वो है word honest. Here honest is a adjective here, so it is adjective. It is describing the boy. What type of boy is? He is a honest. So honest is the word which describing the boy. So honest is a adjective here. So we understand very well what is adjective. Now the next kinds of adjective. Kinds of adjective. First kind, quality, adjective of quality. Adjective of quality. Second, adjective of quantity. Third, adjective of number. Possessive adjective, demonstrative adjective, yes, interrogative adjective, okay. So here 5 kinds of adjective I am describing here. So we take one by one. First I am telling you here adjective of quality. Quality means what kind of the noun or pronoun is. Describing in adjective of quality, we find the answer of what kind of the person is or thing is. Okay. Here we find what kind or how it look, how, okay. In they indicate the shape, size, color of a person or thing also. They describe shape and size, shape, size, color of person. Okay. The adjective of quality describing what kind of the noun is pronoun or what kind of the person or thing is, and it is also tell us the shape and size and the color of the person also. So this is adjective kind of quality, adjective of quality here. Okay. Now I tell you here one by one. First I have already told you adjective of quality. Example of adjective of quality: he is a foolish boy. He is a foolish boy. Second example, Raman is a tall man. Is a tall man. Okay. Third, we can say she is a beautiful girl. She is a beautiful girl. Okay. These are the example of adjective of quality. Here foolish is the word which describing about the boy. Here tall. Tall is a word which describing the man. Next, beautiful. It is adjective of quality which describing what the girl type. Okay. So how they are looking, boy, man and girl, it shows us that in the adjective of quality. Then second, adjective of quantity. Adjective of quantity. Okay. Adjective of quantity, these adjectives are measuring words to modify the noun. Measuring word. Words that modify the noun. Modify the noun. Okay. In adjective of quantity, we found the answer of how much. How much. Measuring point say we have find how much. So we find the answer of how much. Means how much the thing is. Show the quantity of adjective. Show the quantity of noun or pronoun. Example. You have enough work. Work. You have enough work. They indicate the quantity of noun or pronoun. These adjective of quantity indicate the quantity of noun or pronoun. Then next, Mukesh, I am writing examples here. Has much money. Has much money. She has a lot of coffee. She has a lot of coffee. Okay? So in these type of examples, you see which word is describing here. Enough in this, much here, a lot. So these words show the quantity of noun or pronoun. Here they are showing the quantity of these nouns and pronouns. So these words are known as adjective of quantity. They indicate how much the noun or pronoun here. Next, adjective of number. Adjective of number. In adjective of number, we show here the numbering of noun and pronoun, means how many the noun or pronoun here describing. So they indicate there are these adjectives. These adjectives tell how many people or things. How many people or things are being talked. Yes. So एडजेक्टिव ऑफ नंबर हमें क्या शो कराते हैं? ये हमें शो कराते हैं कि कितने जो हैं, हाउ मैनी हैं जो पीपल या कोई थिंग है उसके बारे में यहाँ बात की जा रही है. तो हाउ मैनी का आंसर हमें कहाँ मिलता है? एंड एडजेक्टिव ऑफ नंबर. एग्जाम्पल, देयर आर 30 students in my class. Okay. 15 students have been chosen for the play. Students have been chosen for the play. One more example we can have. There are 30. I have 3 chocolates. I have 3 chocolates. Okay. So these adjectives, these number of adjectives show us the numbering here. So these are known as adjective of number. In first example 30, it is adjective of number here. Here 15, it is adjective of number here. Here 3, it is also adjective of number. Okay. Here these words describing how many chocolates are here. Here describing how many students are here. Here also describing how many students here. So these words give us the answer of how many. Next, okay, one more thing I want to tell you, their adjective of number. Look at here, adjective of number. Are two types. First is definite and second one indefinite. ये indefinite and definite kind के adjective of numbers हैं. Indefinite, definite जिन्हें हम count कर सकते हैं, indefinite जो uncountable होते हैं. Definite number, like definite I have 2 pens, like this. So 2 is definite number na, so we can count. So this definite. And indefinite, I have some books, so some is indefinite, we can't count that. So some number also this kind. Definite also 2 type. Definite also 2 type, cardinal and ordinal. Cardinal and ordinal. Okay. In cardinal we have numbers like 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. These kind of number we have include in cardinal adjective of number. और ordinal जो order में होते हैं, जो like first, second, third, fifth. These. So these definite also cardinal and ordinal. And indefinite we have uncountable kind of noun here. Some books like some books are torn. Here some is indefinite kind of number here, because we don't have the exact number here. So this is called indefinite. Then we have next our here one kind of adjective also I want to tell you, that is proper adjective. Proper adjective. Proper adjective proper adjective are those which made from the proper noun, which are made from proper noun. For example, here Italy. Italy is a noun here. Yes, so we make it Italian. Italian. Yes, Eklavya. Okay, so we are all Eklavyan, so we called Eklavyan. Okay, so this type of noun, this type of adjective is known as proper adjective. Fourth one, that is demonstrative adjective. Demonstrative adjective. Demonstrative adjectives are those adjectives which point out noun or pronoun. In this kind of adjective we have like these, this, that, these and those. These are the demonstrative adjective. Okay, this, that, these and those. Okay, this and that, it is singular, and these and those, these are plural. Okay, example, this book is red, is red. This book, here this is pointed out, means book, which book? This book is red. Second, we take those pens are black, those pens are black. Okay, these kind of adjective tell us the which kind of thing is, which kind of noun or pronoun. It answered the question of which one. Which one? Okay, so these are demonstrative kind of adjective. Next, interrogative. Interrogative. Interrogative adjective. Interrogative, these adjectives are used along with noun or pronoun to ask the questions. These adjectives are used with noun or pronoun to ask the question. Okay, let us have example like which book you have. Okay, so see these kind of words, WH word, what, which, these words used with noun, that is called a interrogative kind of adjective. It always follow with noun. यहाँ पर जो adjective है, जो भी WH words हैं, question word हैं, वो noun के साथ लगते हैं, noun के साथ लगते हैं, तो वो adjective, interrogative adjective कहलाते हैं. अगर WH word, question word किसी verb के साथ यूज किए जाते हैं, तो वो noun adjective, वो इंटेरोगेटिव प्रोनाउन में आ जाते हैं. ओके, इंटेरोगेटिव एडजेक्टिव में हम क्या करते हैं, क्वेश्चन वर्ड को नाउन के साथ यूज करते हैं, तो वो एडजेक्टिव, इंटेरोगेटिव एडजेक्टिव होते हैं. लाइक व्हाट बुक डू यू वांट टू रीड. व्हाट बुक डू यू वांट टू read. Okay, like this. Now next is possessive adjective. Possessive adjective show the possession, possessive adjective. Possessive adjective show possessions, that words which show the possessions. Like example, his books are on the table. His books are on the table. Okay, they answer the question whose. They answer the question. Okay, whose मीन्स नाउन और प्रोनाउन जो है वो किसका है, जो किस यहाँ पर हमें किसका आंसर मिल जाए कि वो किससे रिलेटेड है, नाउन और प्रोनाउन जो किससे रिलेटेड है, तो वो जो वर्ड्स होते हैं वो हमें पोजेशन ऑफ एडजेक्टिव ऑफ पोजेशन कहलाते हैं, एडजेक्टिव ऑफ पोजेशन. ओके, सो दिस इज नाउन, दिस इज एडजेक्टिव ऑफ पोजेशन. लाइक योर, आवर, his, her, their, okay, its. These are all possessive adjectives. So today I tell you the what is adjective and the kinds of adjective one by one. Okay, to be continued in our next video. Thank you. Have a nice day.